Good morning, everyone. Let's do calendar. All right, ready? Let's do our rules song. Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, I hope you had a nice weekend this weekend. It was Mother's Day. I hope you got to play outside with your moms and gave them a big hug and told them, I love you. I had a good Mother's Day too. It was really nice. I got to be outside with my family and see some family over Zoom. So that was fun. All right, so we're going to start with a letter today. All right, what letter is this? I. I says I. Can you tell me that? I says what? I. That's right. Makes the I sound. Capital or big I. Right there. Little I. Nice job. All right, let's find I. Oh, there it is. All right, let's do letter I. I says I. Good.
I.
What is this a picture of? This is called an igloo. Let's listen. Igloo.
Inside
And so an igloo is like a house made of ice. Isn't that cool? And he's inside the igloo. Remember this guy? What is this called? Starts with an I. Iguana, right? Iguana. Remember, he kind of dances. His tail goes back and forth, or he looks like maybe it's walking on the ground. All right, bee. I see a bee over here. I see a ladybug, a butterfly. These are all called insects. Insects. They're flying around the screen. Big eyes. That's silly. All right. So this is when we sort the letters. This is a big I, and this is a little I, okay? This is big. We match it. Little, match. Is this big or little? Big, match. And look, they turn into insects when, or you can say bugs, but these are insects using the letter I. Big I, little I, big I, little I. And is this little or big? It's hard to see. It's little, right? Good. Great job. It says incredible. We're using our I words. Incredible. Nice job. So I is all done. Let's go back and let's do our calendar now, okay? It's right over here. Okay. And first, what we do, right? What do we do first? The days of the what? Week. Good. The days of the week. Let's do it. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Sunday. What's today? You tell me. Monday. Good. Today is Monday. Great job, you guys. The day of the week is Monday. Now, let's do the months of the year. I'll show you this time. I'll show you today, okay? we always start with this month. Let me put my eye over here. We always start with January when we talk about the months. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Great work. What's the month? The month is May. I see our butterflies over here. It's May. What letter does May start with? What letter? You can look up here. What letter is that? What letter is this? Oops, let me fix that. M. May. Good. That is May. The days of the week are all done. The months of the year are all done. And now we have to count, right? And we stop at the star. All right, let's count. Ready? Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes next? 11, right? Looks like this. 11 is like 2 1s. Nice job. You did 11. Tomorrow will be the 12th, right? And yesterday was the 10th. Great job. All right, now let's do, and oh yeah, and we can say too, yesterday was Mother's Day. See, that was our special day in May. Mother's Day was yesterday. Today is the 11th. It's Monday. All right, let's do our weather song. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Nice work. I'm at a little different space today. This is my kitchen, but I can look out the window right here. Oh, you know what? I think today is looking pretty sunny again. The weather today is sunny. Let's move it up here. Great. Now, let's see how many sunny days we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to color one more square to make 5. Let's see what it looks like. This is 5 sunny days. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rainy days have we had? 1, right? Because I see 1 colored square. 1. And how many partly cloudy days or partly sunny? 1. Great job. We did the weather. Now let's do the seasons. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. The season is spring. Good job. The season is spring. It's getting warmer outside. All right, friends, let's say the whole date, okay? All right. Today is Monday. What's the month? May. What was that number? 11th, 2020. What was the weather? Can you remember on our graph? The weather today is sunny. Good. And the season is spring. Great job on that Monday calendar, friends. Great job. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.